Welcome. If you want to personalize notification settings in your Google Pixel 4a, at the first you have to go for the settings, tap on the apps and notifications, select notifications, and at the first we can change notifications on the lock screen. We can hide all of them by choosing this option. And when you go right here to see all apps from the last 7 days, we can choose most frequent, for example, and we can turn off notifications for every app that we have on this list. We can also check apps where notifications are turned off, and we can easily turn it on back. And we can also show the system apps right here. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.